everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today is Fab 5 Friday, so we're doing another 5-ingredient recipe today. Today we're going to be making cranberry jelly, and not like the cranberry jelly or cranberry sauce that you eat with a spoon on Thanksgiving, but the jelly that like you spread on toast. So this would be perfect for like a Thanksgiving morning or a Christmas morning on toast or on a bagel. So the 5 ingredients you're going to need is your cranberry juice. And you could also do this with just cranberry juice, but I'm going to do it with a little bit of orange juice also. I love the flavor of cranberry and orange together. So 1 3/4 cups of cranberry juice, 1/4 cup of orange juice. I've got 3 1/4 cup of sugar. I had to look really quick. And we're going to do a pinch of allspice. And is that it? I feel like I'm missing something. 1, 2, 3, juice. Oh, pectin. We need pectin. That's what we need here. So 1 package of pectin. But before I get started, if you're new here, my name is Cheri. I love food and fun, and if you love the same thing, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, and check the description below. You can find details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. So to get started, like I said, we're going to need our juice, and I'm going to go ahead and put in my 1/4 cup of orange juice, and then we're going to put in 1 3/4 cups of cranberry juice. So again, you could do this with just cranberry juice, especially if you don't like the flavor of orange. Then we are going to add in our sugar. So 3 1/4 cups of sugar. And then I'm going to do just a pinch of allspice. You could also do like cinnamon if you don't like allspice. I just like a little bit of the spice in there. Okay, so I'm going to, I guess I should have got a spoon out. There we go. Here's my spoon. So we're going to stir this. I'm going to turn this up on high, and then we're going to bring this up to a boil. All right, once our mixture has come up to a boil, our sugar is dissolved, we're going to go ahead and add in our pectin. So I'm using 1 full pouch that I'm going to toss in here. And then we're going to stir this in, and we're going to set a timer for one minute. All right, and that's our timer, so I'm going to go ahead and turn the heat off. I'm going to push this away from me very carefully. Grab this and put this here, and then anything that's on top we kind of need to skim off. I probably should have got a plate or something. Let's get a bowl. I'm never prepared. So I'm just going to kind of skim this. What do you call this? It kind of looks like soap scum, doesn't it? What do they call that? Foam? Skim the foam off. It's not soap scum, it's foam. There's not much on there, so that's good. I'm going to set this aside, and then I'm going to go ahead and ladle this into my jars. So we should get 4 half-pints, I believe is what we should get out of here. I'm not doing this probably the most safe way or easiest way, because I've got my camera and stuff. Let's move this over here. There. Now you can see a little better. And I can probably do a little bit better job of ladling now. Maybe not. I got some on the counter there. That's okay. And I think I mismeasured. That's okay. I need another jar, I think. Yeah, I think we'd probably get 5 or 6 half-pints out of there. Anyway, that is that. So this isn't something that I necessarily can. This is something that I usually make up just a couple of days before Thanksgiving. I keep it in the fridge, and then I give it away at Thanksgiving. Of course, I keep a jar for myself, and I just tell everybody, you know, keep it in the fridge and make sure to use it up within probably a month or so. So I'm going to put my lid on here. If you wanted to can these, I believe you could do it in a water bath, and it would take, I don't remember if it's 10 or 20 minutes. I'll try to look that up, and I will put it in the description. So because this is like super hot, I am not going to taste this today. I do know what it tastes like. So I make it every year. And it's really, really good. Actually, last year I made it a little bit different. Last year I made it using my cooking blender. And I had several people ask, well, if I don't have the blender, how do I make it? So I thought, I'm going to go ahead and make it this year, and we'll just do it on the stove top. But I hope you guys give it a try, because it's a great gift to give to people. It's delicious on toast or bagels. It's also really good if you take just about any kind of jelly, actually. But because it's the holidays, I like to use this on like a pork loin, or there's a lot of different things you can do with it, but I really do like to put it on a pork loin. So I hope you guys give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments. I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.